everyone. So today I will teach you that how to make the tornado in here and a bottle of water or a jar. So first I don't need the ingredients because they have it already, see? So next, the first thing we need to do, but when I try to shake it and spin it around like this, it doesn't work any all. But it's just a tiny point. But when I do like this, nope, that is only a 5. Oh brother, this guy stinks. Nope, they're just a tiny. Here, see, it's a big. See, look carefully inside. Wait, here. That it looks like a F.
Again. Wow.
A tornado! I love tornado. It looks so cute. Oh, bro. Here. There's one. Keeps going. So bye-bye, everyone. Just try shake it like this, and that's all. Then you get an easy part for a tornado. If you have a bottle, but if you don't have it, but you only have a swimming pool, so use it by using your hands to sweep it along like this. Then next, stop spinning your fingers. Then start moving the hand to the sides, just like this. But when I watch the other channel, they do just put it out like this, and from the side of the pool, they next to propel with blood. So sometimes the others can make a very big one, just like this. So bye-bye, everyone. I just watched it. I love tornadoes. Wait, that thing.